In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payment from a buyer on Craigslist. Craigslist is a popular platform for buying and selling items, but it's crucial to handle transactions carefully to ensure a smooth and secure payment process. So, let's walk through the steps you need to follow to receive payment from a buyer on Craigslist effectively. To begin, you'll want to first navigate to Craigslist by heading over to the website. Once there, ensure you are logged into your account. This is where all your listing details and transaction notifications will be managed. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. It's important because accessing your account allows you to track communications and updates related to your listings and any potential buyers interested in your items. Next, after logging into your account, you'll notice a menu at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to click on Account. This section is essentially your command center on Craigslist. It provides access to all your personal and listing information, allowing you to manage your activity efficiently. Clicking on Account will take you to a page that displays various options related to your Craigslist activities. From within your account, it's time to move on to a crucial step, checking your notifications. On the account page, you'll find an option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click on this. This is where you can see all the emails and updates related to your transactions. It's vital to regularly check here for any messages from potential buyers. These notifications will often include inquiries about your item, offers, or confirmations of sale interest. When managing payments, it's essential to communicate clearly and agree with the buyer on how the payment will be made. Craigslist does not facilitate payments directly, so you and the buyer will need to discuss and agree on a payment method. Common options include cash, secure online payment systems like PayPal, or even bank transfers. Always ensure that the payment method is secure and that you've received the payment before handing over the item. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with transactions on platforms like Craigslist. Always meet in a public place if you are exchanging items in person, and never share personal financial information with buyers. By following these steps and maintaining clear communication, you can ensure a seamless and secure payment process. And there you have it. By carefully navigating through your account and staying on top of your notifications, you can manage your sales and receive payments efficiently on Craigslist. Thanks for watching and happy selling!